Hey, bright little minds! Today, let's learn something super fun and important, the magic of face value and place value. Ready? Let's jump in! Meet our friends 3, 4, and 5. Each number has its own face value. Just what you see. Face value means the number itself. No matter where 5 stands, his face value is always 5. Now let's hop onto the place value train. Each wagon shows a place, hundreds, tens, and ones. When numbers take a place, their value changes. 3 in the hundreds wagon is 300, 4 in the tens wagon is 40, and 5 in the ones wagon is 5. Look at number 345. 3 has a place value of 300. 4 has a place value of 40. 5 has a place value of 5. Isn't that amazing? And remember, their face value stays the same. 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, no matter where they sit. Now it's your turn. If I say the number 782, what's the place value of 7? And what's the face value of 8? That's right, you got it! The place value of 7 is 700, and the face value of 8 is 80. Great job! You did an awesome job today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time.